Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Thought I'd do today is after I uploaded my hoops video today. Well, it went live at midnight, and I thought, well, why not do an old classic? Spaghettios with meatballs. Figured, you know, why not? I like meatballs and I don't mind spaghettios. I actually haven't had these in a long time, so should be a hell of a lot better than the scoop or the hoops. Getting things warmed up. Already starting to see some bubbling. I know it's like stupid simple, like anyone could do this at home, but you know, not every meal has to be complicated. They can just be simple. Hot drink is hitting the spot. Oh yeah. Threw a few marshmallows in there for Shovelhead 8. It's a mocha coffee, hot chocolate. A cold day, it's hitting the spot. I just went ahead and called it. Felt hot enough. Forgot my tongs, so. Oh, you dirty. Wow, it was still going even though I had the simmer ring on. Cool, I got that a few minutes to sit and do its thing, and I'll bring it back. See how much better this tastes versus the hoops. Oh yeah, there's no comparison. Get a meatball in here. Just so much better. And I've done nothing to it. No salt, no pepper. I could use a little pepper, but it's not bland like the hoops were. I'll tell you what, much better. I mean, it's still canned food, but you know, flavor is just, you know, they got it. Way better than the hoops. So anyway, appreciate you watching. I know it's just a simple, easy, anyone can do Canteen Cup cooking, but hey, you know, like I said, they always don't need to be super complicated. Nothing wrong with taking it easy. Doing something simple, delicious. I could eat this all day. And if I had another can, well, if I had a big bag of Doritos, I'd crush them up in there like I did the raviolis. These are a win. So, as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.